Chapter 5. The coming reign of God on earth. And then, the most glorious truth, God's reign comes. Revelation concludes with a city, a garden, a restored creation where sorrow and death are no more. This reign is not ethereal only. It touches streets, families, governments, and marketplaces. Justice will flow like a river. Mercy will be the law of the land. I have walked among the visions where nations bow, not from compulsion, but from conviction. They see the Lord and know Him. The kingdom manifests in healed bodies, forgiven hearts, reconciled communities, and systems reoriented toward the common good. Expect transformation. God is not calling humanity to passivity. He is inviting us to partner in rebuilding.